Action.
Gary, it's really a pleasure to be over here, and I see you and the whole community supports you for your next election, and you have done it wonderful over. And as you know that I'm from Pakistan, I'm Akhtar Shah, lawyer from Pakistan, very prominent lawyer, and I have already, launched a Canadian education and skill system in Pakistan. Uh, how would you say that about Pakistan, in the perspective of Indo-Pacific and otherwise, as a good friend of Canada?
Well, you know that Pakistan is very important. Pakistan is particularly important as a trading partner. And one of the things that we're blessed with here in Surrey, as you know, being prominent in the Pakistani community, is that we have a large number of immigrants who originally are from Pakistan. So anything that we do to increase and enhance the role of Pakistan in this community and in this province makes us all better. So you have been very forthright and determined in your efforts to build those bridges between your homeland there and your new homeland here. So I'm very pleased that you could spend some time with us today.
Gary, as I know that you're a very, very prominent politician and member Legislative Assembly, British Columbia, and it's a very high, you are at a very high position. And believe me, I tell you, wherever I have gone, I will say people they speak very high about you, and it's a credit goes to you. And I wish for your long life with good health. And I stand with your endeavors, and we are with you, Gary. Thank you very much for this.
Thank you for your support.
Thank you very much. Thank you.